Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Calmstep English Channel. I'm John.
And I'm Sarah. It's great to be here again.
Today, we have a very important topic for all English learners, especially if you are at A1 or A2 level. We are going to talk about speaking English confidently.
Oh, John, this is a big problem for me. I understand English, I can read English, but when I try to speak, I feel shy. I feel nervous. My words don't come out easily.
That's a very common problem, Sarah. Many learners feel this way. It's like you have all the English words in your head, but they are stuck. You want to speak, but you are afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, exactly. I think too much. I think about grammar. I think about pronunciation. And then I say nothing. Or I speak very slowly.
You're not alone. This fear of speaking is a big barrier to becoming fluent. It stops you from using the English you know. It's like having a beautiful car but never driving it.
So, is it possible to speak English confidently? Can I really feel good when I speak, even if I make mistakes?
Absolutely, Sarah. It is 100% possible. And today, we will show you how. We will talk about confident speaking. This means you can express your ideas clearly, without too much fear. It's a skill, and like any skill, you can learn it with practice.
Confident speaking. That sounds amazing, but also a little bit difficult. How do I start?
The secret is to build simple daily habits with slow and clear practice. Our brains learn best when we feel safe and comfortable. For beginners, fast conversations can be very scary, but slow, clear practice helps your brain feel confident.
So, slow and clear practice is important, like the ones we have here on Calmstep English Channel.
Exactly. That's why we focus on slow and clear English. It's perfect for training your mouth and your brain. Now let's talk about the first simple daily habit. This is about starting small. Speak to yourself.
Speak to myself, like talk to myself in the mirror.
Yes, exactly. This might sound strange, but it's a very powerful habit. When you speak to yourself, there is no one to judge you, no one to correct you. You can make mistakes, and it's okay. It's a safe space to practice.
Okay, I understand. So, how do I do it?
Let's imagine you are getting ready in the morning. Instead of thinking in your first language, try to describe what you are doing in simple English. For example, you can say, Sarah mimes the actions.
I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am drinking water.
Perfect. You are using simple sentences. You are describing your actions. This is called self-talk.
So, I just say what I am doing?
Yes. And you can also describe what you see. For example, if you see a cup, you can say, This is a cup. It is blue. It is on the table.
This is interesting. It feels easy. I'm not nervous.
That's the point. This habit helps you connect English words to your daily life. It makes English real for you. And it builds your confidence slowly. You are training your mouth to make English sounds without pressure.
So, for every short part of my day, I can describe it in English.
That's the first confident speaking habit. It might seem small, but it trains your brain to use English actively. It builds a strong foundation for speaking.
This is very practical. I can do this every day.
Perfect. Remember, the key is to use simple words and sentences. Don't try to use very difficult grammar or vocabulary at first. Start with what you know. Grow from there.
What if I don't know a word?
Don't worry. That's normal. If you don't know a word, you can try to describe it. For example, if you don't know refrigerator, you can say, It's a big, cold box for food. Or you can look it up later. The important thing is to keep speaking.
So, keep talking, even if I don't know every word. That makes sense.
Yes. And don't feel bad if you use simple words. Simple and clear is always better than complex and confusing. The goal is to communicate.
This first habit, speaking to myself, sounds like a good start. What's the next daily habit?
The second daily habit is asking and answering simple questions. This habit helps you practice real conversation, even if you are alone.
Asking questions to myself, like, what am I doing? And then answering, I am eating breakfast.
Exactly. You can ask yourself questions about your day, your feelings, or simple things around you. For example, what did I eat for breakfast? I ate bread and eggs. How do I feel today? I feel happy. What is the weather like? It is sunny today.
Oh, I see. So I create a small conversation with myself.
Yes, this is a fantastic way to practice forming questions and answers in English. It trains your brain to think in English, not just to translate. It prepares you for real conversations.
So if John says, what is your favorite color? I can practice answering, my favorite color is blue.
Yes, you are using the question-answer pattern. This is a very common pattern in English conversations. The more you practice it, the more natural it will feel.
That's a good point. So I should try to ask myself simple questions and answer them.
Yes, definitely. And not just about yourself. You can ask questions about things you see. What is that? Is it big or small? What color is it?
So I use everything around me to help me practice speaking.
Yes. Use your eyes. Use your common sense. Don't just focus on memorizing words. Focus on using them in simple sentences. All these things give you opportunities to speak.
This makes speaking less scary. I don't have to talk to a real person yet.
That's the key message, Sarah. For confident speaking, you don't need to start with complex debates. You need to start with simple, comfortable practice. You need to build your confidence step by step. And asking and answering simple questions is your best friend for this.
So my daily habits should include asking and answering simple questions in English.
Absolutely. And try to make your answers complete sentences. This trains your brain to produce full thoughts in English.
I like this. It sounds fun.
Learning should be fun. The more you enjoy it, the more you will do it. And consistency is the most important thing. Now let's add a third simple daily habit that will really boost your speaking skills.
Oh, I'm excited. What is it, John?
This habit is called recording your voice and listening back. Have you ever recorded yourself speaking English?
No, John. That sounds very scary. I don't like to hear my own voice. And what if I make many mistakes?
That's a very common feeling, Sarah. Many people don't like to hear their own voice. But this habit is one of the most powerful ways to improve your speaking. Think of it like a mirror for your voice.
A mirror for my voice? What does that mean?
When you look in a mirror, you can see your hair, your clothes. You can see if something is wrong and fix it. Recording your voice is like that. You can hear your pronunciation. You can hear if your sentences are clear. You can find your mistakes and learn from them.
So I record myself and then I listen to it.
Yes, exactly. Start with something simple. You can record yourself doing your self-talk from habit 1, or you can record yourself asking and answering simple questions from habit 2. For example, record yourself saying, I am eating breakfast, I feel happy today, the weather is sunny.
And then I listen to it.
Yes. When you listen, don't just listen for mistakes. Listen for what sounds good. Listen for your clear words. And then, if you hear a word that doesn't sound right, you can try to say it again. You can compare your sound to a native speaker's sound.
So I can say happy and then listen to a native speaker say happy and try to copy it.
Exactly. This is called self-correction. It's a very important skill for learning any language. You become your own teacher. You don't need someone else to always correct you.
This sounds like a good way to improve my pronunciation.
It is. And it also helps you to speak more clearly. When you listen to yourself, you can hear if your sentences are too fast or too slow, or if your words are not clear. Then you can try to speak more clearly next time.
So the 3 daily habits are: speak to yourself, ask and answer, simple questions, and record your voice and listen back. This is a complete plan.
It is. And if you do these things every day, even for just 5 to 10 minutes, your English speaking confidence will improve a lot. You will start to feel comfortable using English. Now, Sarah, learning a new skill always has challenges. What do you think might be difficult for people trying these speaking habits?
Sometimes I feel shy, or I feel like my English is not good enough, or I just don't know what to say.
Those are very normal feelings. Let's talk about how to overcome them. Challenge 1, feeling shy or nervous. Remember, these habits are for you. You are speaking to yourself. You are asking yourself questions. You are recording your own voice. No one else needs to hear it. This is your safe space to practice.
So it's okay if I feel shy at first?
Yes, it's okay. Start with just 1 minute or just 1 sentence. The more you do it, the less shy you will feel. Confidence grows with practice, not with waiting. Challenge 2. My English is not good enough. This is a very common thought, but remember, you are a beginner, A1, a 2. Your English is good enough for your level. The goal is not to speak perfectly. The goal is to speak clearly and to communicate.
So it's okay to make mistakes?
Absolutely. Mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake helps you learn something new. Don't be afraid of them. Embrace them. They show you are trying. Challenge 3, not knowing what to say. This is why we start with simple things. Describe what you see. Describe what you are doing. Ask simple questions about your day. You don't need to talk about complex topics. Start with your daily life.
So I can use my daily life as my English practice book.
Exactly. Your life is full of English practice opportunities. Just look around you. Describe your food, your clothes, your room. It's all English practice.
These tips are very helpful, John. I feel more ready to face the challenges now.
Excellent. Now let's quickly summarize the amazing benefits you will get from practicing these daily speaking habits. When you speak every day, even to yourself, your mouth and brain get used to English. Words will come out more easily. You will speak more smoothly.
So I won't get stuck so much anymore?
Exactly. Your English will flow more naturally. Recording your voice and listening back helps you hear your own sounds. You can compare and improve. Your English will sound clearer and more natural.
My English will sound better.
Yes, that's the goal. You will sound more like a native speaker. When you actively use words and sentences, you remember them better. You also start to use grammar rules more naturally without thinking too much.
So I will learn more words and use grammar correctly.
Yes, practice makes perfect, or at least much better. Every time you speak even a little, your confidence grows. This confidence will help you speak to real people. It will help you use English in your life, at work, or when you travel.
Confidence is so important for everything.
It is, and good speaking builds good confidence. So, Sarah, what are the 3 simple daily habits for speaking English confidently?
Speak to yourself, ask and answer simple questions, and record your voice and listen back.
Perfect summary. And remember, Do it with slow and clear practice like the ones here on Calmstep English Channel. Start today, even for just 5 minutes.
Thank you so much, John. This has been incredibly helpful. I feel like I can really speak English confidently now.
You're very welcome, Sarah. And to all our viewers, your journey to confident English speaking starts now. Don't wait.
If you found these tips useful, please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps other learners find us.
And share this video with your friends, family, or anyone who struggles with speaking English. Let's help more people speak English confidently.
Most importantly, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Calmstep English Channel. We have many more slow, clear, and effective English lessons coming your way.
Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. We are here to support you every step of the way.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Keep practicing, stay calm, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now. Happy speaking.